Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Tyler with My Computer Works, and today we are going to be doing a follow-up video to one of the most popular videos that we've ever dropped on this channel, which was in relation to or about the Windows Defender scam pop-up and how to get rid of it, okay? Today I'm going to be doing a follow-up video that goes into one of the most popular places that people are running into it, unfortunately, okay? So in that video, I show what it looks like, what it sounds like. It kind of does something like this.
Computer has been locked up. Your IP address was used without your knowledge or consent to visit websites that contains identity theft virus. To unlock the computer, please call support immediately. Please do not attempt to shut down or restart your computer. Doing that may lead to data loss and identity theft. The computer lock is aimed to stop illegal activity.
Now, that is just a small video of it, but when it actually happens, it consumes the whole screen. It makes you think that you can't close it. It explicitly tells you not to turn off your computer or to restart, and it tells you to call a phone number. When you call that phone number, you get in contact with scammers, who then will walk you through clearing that the scam pop-up, but they'll get on the computer and try to get your credit card information. They may even do this in a way that is tries to seem legitimate. Like they might actually tell you that they're a tech company or they work for some corporation or tech corporation, and they'll write up some invoice in your notepad. They might even run a few things in your command prompt to make it look like you're hacked, tell you that your system's infected, and get you to buy either a like a package from them, protection from them, whatever it is. They get your credit card information, and hopefully they only charge you for whatever they said they were going to charge you, whatever price that they were going to charge you. Sometimes they'll take more or whatever. Obviously, it's a scam. They're scammers, so they don't really have, guidelines that they follow or any sort of moral code. So that's the danger. That's what it looks like. That's the danger. So where are people running into it? That's the point of today's video. If you want to know more about the scam, you can always go watch that video that we made before. As I said, it goes into it and kind of lays it out really nicely. One, where it comes from, what it is, and then how to stop it, okay? So that's that video. If you want to go check that out, definitely go check that out to get more information about this. But today's video is, where is it coming from? One of the most popular places that people are running into it, or we're seeing it come from, is unfortunately on Facebook, okay? And not to pick on Facebook. Facebook is a great platform. Obviously, a lot of people use it to communicate with family, share with friends, post things they like, groups, whatever. There's a lot of different things on Facebook that are really nice. The platform is not in itself bad, but unfortunately, because it is an open platform and anybody can go on there, and Facebook cannot be everywhere at once. Not here, obviously, today to pick on Facebook's security or what they're doing to stop scammers. I'm sure that they have their hands busy with that at all times. But what we do want to talk about is, why is Facebook one of the places, or why are we seeing it so much as far as people running into the security scam pop-up, or the Windows Defender scam pop-up? Is because anyone can post on there, okay? And so scammers know that, so they can post ads, or they can post on the side, they can post directly onto feeds, they can post onto group pages, all of those things. We go on Facebook, we join these groups, we're looking at these pages where there's all these posts, and sometimes you're going to end up clicking one that is actually like a link to somewhere else, okay? So it's not Facebook, and that could happen. It could be a picture, it could be blue words that you click on, it could be the post itself. You end up clicking on it and it redirects you, takes you off of Facebook, where, Facebook, again, like I said, not bad in itself, safe when you're there, until you get redirected off and you leave the site and you end up on a site where, boom, you get hit with that pop-up and you think your system has been taken over, or you need to call the number, right? Okay, so what can we do about this? That information is probably really terrifying if you use Facebook, right? So now you might be afraid to click on things, which is good. That's the whole point of this video. I hate to say it, but you should be afraid to click on just anything on Facebook, okay? Obviously, when you're on the page, you want to maintain some awareness. You want to be careful what you're just, clicking that mouse on. Again, that's what it comes down to. The wrong click is going to take you off of Facebook and take you somewhere possibly unsafe, okay? Or where that pop-up is then going to consume your screen, and now you're in a situation where you're getting scammed. Okay, do not click on a link that just any random person posted, would be my advice, right? So a lot of times it's safer to go with what your friends are posting. However, just remember your friends' accounts can always get compromised. If this happens, obviously the hackers and the scammers can then post the scam website or the redirect onto their page. Okay, that is going to then redirect you and put you in the same situation again. I would also review that video we talked about earlier. In that video, we talk about the method to use Control Alt and Delete. Go into your task manager and actually clear out that pop-up so that you don't need to do anything. But if nothing else, if you're having trouble with this, you can always reach out to us here at My Computer Works. Our number is at the beginning and the end of the video, and down in the description if you accidentally ran into this scam pop-up, or if you're concerned about it or want to get some education on it, how to protect yourself against it with more one-on-one, you can get with one of our techs here and we can do that with you. We can do it over the phone, we can connect to your computer, and we can show you how to protect yourself, or even help you set up some protection in place against these types of pop-ups. Now, it doesn't always get, even if you use ad blockers and pop-up blockers, I will say it won't always stop these. Sometimes they'll still come through, even if you're using an ad blocker or a pop-up blocker, unfortunately. And then it just comes down to being able to clear it and not calling that phone number, right? So thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe down below to see more, and I will catch you on the next one.